So as you can probably tell from my voice, I'm not feeling much better. Probably feeling a bit worse actually. So I slept really late today and got up and was really hot and cold and aching and just felt so appalling. Anyway, and then there's a German girl staying here who gave me a flu remedy thing. So I used that and felt so much better. So Emma and I headed off to the Flying Fox, which involves running off a platform and flinging yourself with your arms open into mid-air above this gorge. So that was a moment of terror, mainly beforehand, and the guy who was doing it was trying to play tricks on me. He tried to tell me to walk off the edge of this rock before I was even attached to the proper wire, and I actually squeaked at him. I was like, why? And anyway, I wasn't very amused by that. But it was amazing, and I'm going to forever regret that people cannot fly. And this is really sad, but it was absolutely incredible. And then as I came back, my sandal had broken, so I landed, and it was flapping off my foot. It was so embarrassing. There were all these people watching. Here, so it kind of just came away there, where this bit's are meant to attach to. And completely flapping off my foot, and the harness was so tight that I couldn't bend down to get it off. So this guy came up and took my sandal off for me. I said they were going to try and fix it, but they couldn't, which is sad. Anyway, that was pretty embarrassing. And then this evening, Emma and I went to the Boma, which is this kind of native African experience restaurant place. Okay, nice addition. So, nice coughing there. We went to the Boma, which is this native African restaurant experience thing. We had to wear these pieces of cloth tied around us and do drumming and all this. And the food was so amazing. There's no possible way to describe it, really. It was absolutely beautiful. Probably one of the nicest meals I've ever had in my life. Yeah, so that was nice. And we've come back here and still feeling a bit ill. But everyone keeps asking me how my flu is. And we're getting up tomorrow at like 5:30 to be picked up at 6 for this game drive. So, fun times, exhaustion and coughing fits.